Hello friends, welcome to EduSpark Career Development Private Limited. Let's have a discussion on the questions based on direction sense. 8 persons M to T are standing in such a way that O is 20 meters apart from north from N towards west. N is 30 meters south with respect to M. M is 40 meters towards west with respect to Q. P is 50 meter towards south with respect to Q. R is 15 meter apart from S towards north. T is 20 meter towards east with respect to S. R is 40 meter towards west with respect to P. So the question is, in which direction is Q standing with respect to R? So in order to understand this, we need to check the figure where we have drawn all these whatever information is given in this question. So what we are finding that first it is mentioned that O is 20 meter apart from N towards west. So that we have maintained here. Then N is 30 meters south with respect to M, that we have also maintained. M is 40 meter towards west with respect to Q, that we have maintained. Then P is 50 meter towards south with respect to Q. We have maintained that. R is 15 meter apart from S towards north, that we have also maintained. T is 20 meter towards east with respect to S, and R is 40 meter towards west with respect to P. So basically here this distance between R and P is told later, and that is the trick in this question that we have to understand. Okay, so if you understand that, you can easily make the figure. Now after making the figure, finding the answer is very easy. In which direction is Q with respect to R? So what we are finding, Q is in the northeast side, right? So northeast, option C will be the correct answer, right? Coming to the next question, if one more person U is standing towards southwest with respect to P, in which direction is T standing with respect to U? So here a person U is standing towards southwest with respect to P. Let us see the picture like southwest with respect to P. Okay, that we can make him, but the thing is that southwest in which location, that is not clear. How far is U standing is not clear. So the thing is that it cannot be determined because we don't know how far is this U standing, right? So it cannot be determined. Hope you have understood this. Next question. Karisma facing towards south moved straight 8 kilometers and from there turned to her right 90 degree and traveled 7 kilometers. Then she took a turn 45-degree turn to her left and traveled 4 kilometers. Where would she be now with respect to the starting point? So we can draw the figure like this. Karisma facing towards south moved 8 kilometers and from there she turned 90 degree and traveled 7 kilometers, and then she took a 45-degree turn and traveled 4 kilometers. So we can easily identify that Karisma is towards southwest from her starting point. So option B, southwest, is the correct answer. Coming to the next question, we need to identify certain symbols, and this is that we need to answer this. N question mark N means N is to the right of M at a distance of 2 meters. M into N means N is to the north of M at the distance of 2 meters. M plus N means N is to the left of M at a distance of 2 meters. M percentage N means N is to the south of M at a distance of 2 meters. So we need to calculate this one, P percentage Q plus R into S. So if we consider P percentage Q, that means we can easily identify like M percentage N means N is to the south of M at a distance of 2 meters. Similarly, P percentage Q means Q is to the south of P at a distance of 2 meters. Then Q plus R. So M plus N means N is to the left of M at a distance of 2 meters. Similarly, Q plus R means R is at the left of Q at a distance of 2 meters. So that we have maintained. Then R into S. M into N means N is to the north of M at a distance of 2 meters. So R into S will be S is to the north of R at a distance of 2 meters. So the location of S with respect to P will be west. Hope you have understood this. Similar type of one more question. So X question mark R percentage Y question mark Z. If this is the formula given, then what should be the position of Z? So X question mark R, M question mark N means N is to the right of M at a distance of 2 meters. So X question mark R means that R is to the right of X at a distance of 2 meters. So that we have maintained. Then R percentage Y, that means M percentage N means N is to the south of M at a distance of 2 meters. So R percentage Y means Y is to the south of R at a distance of 2 meters. And then Y question mark Z, when M question mark N means N is to the right of M. Similarly, Y question mark Z means Z is to the right of Y at a distance of 2 meters. So the correct location of Z with respect to R will be southeast. Hope you have understood this. Coming to what EduSpire Career Development is offering, we are offering a series of live online sessions for exam aspirants for IBPS, RRB, CAT, SSC, and campus jobs. Our chief mentor, co-founder, and director, Mr. Ankuran Das, is an alumni of IIM Bangalore and Jadavpur University. We have many other experienced faculty members with us. We provide live online classes by these expert mentors, exam-specific sessions, practice materials, and 24/7 doubt clearing classes. Apart from regular syllabus, we are also providing interview tips, group discussion tips, extempo, dress code tips. We prepare job aspirants with presentation skills, and we assist in CV making too. You will get live online classes, strategic guidelines for preparation, comprehensive course materials, regular interaction for doubt clearing and career counseling. We ensure personalized attention by keeping our batches small. You will understand what to prepare, how much to prepare, and you will get updated contents from multiple experts. You will be following a practical routine and will be able to balance all sections. We will be able to make a specific plan, how many questions from which chapters you need to do. You can discuss your plan with the experienced mentors to make your plan more effective. Online platform saves time without compromising other engagements. You will also get recorded videos for revision and easy access to the entire faculty team. So, no point delaying anymore. Feel free to contact us in the given numbers as early as possible.